Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the radius or diameter and locking in the units. If you only have diameter, divide by 2 to get r, because the radius is half the diameter. Once done, write r with units, for example 5 cm, and sketch the circle labeling center and radius. This prevents unit mistakes and misreads. Make sure to convert millimeters to centimeters or vice versa before calculations so area and circumference match. Small unit errors cause wrong final numbers. Now compute circumference. Apply c equals 2 pi when you have radius, or c equals pi if you started with diameter. The formulas are equivalent because d equals 2r. Substitute the numeric radius, press pi on your calculator for precision, and multiply. For example, 2 times pi times 5 cm yields about 416 cm. Once computed, label the results with the linear unit and round only at the end to avoid accumulating rounding error. Make sure to double-check you used radius versus diameter correctly. Finally, calculate area using a equals pi squared. First square the radius, then multiply by pi to get the area in square units. For example, r equals 5 cm gives a equals pi times 25 equals 78. 54 cm 2 using pi approximately 3. 1416. Once done, state the rounded result with units, do not drop the squared notation. If your numbers don't match expectations, troubleshoot by confirming you squared r, not d, rechecking unit conversions, and verifying you use the calculator's pi function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.